In our previous lesson, we learned about sound f. So we are doing it again for us to understand more and get to learn more words that have sound f. So welcome to the lesson and hope that you are going to concentrate. Now, I left you with some work during the previous lesson. I want us to go through the work first before we do the next bit of it. Now, the instructions were: copy the following words in your exercise book and also practice reading the words. The words are here. So these are the words which you are supposed to practice reading them after you've copied them in your exercise book. So I want us to go through the words together and make sure that you are also following up, because maybe there is a word you are not able to read. So you will be able to get the correct way in which the word is read. Let's start with the very first word. The first word is the word flask. Flask. Then the second word, fish. Fish. Then loaf. Loaf. Look at the word very well. Then after the third word, we have leaf. Leaf. Left. Left. Food. Food. Famous. Famous. Then finish. Finish. Lastly, father. Father. I'm going to read the words again, and this time round we are going to read after me. So the first word, flask. Flask. Fish. Fish. Loaf. Loaf. Leaf. Leaf. You repeat after me, after each word. Then left. Left. Food. Food. Famous. Famous. Finish. Finish. And lastly, father. Father. So these are the words that I gave you as your assignment. You are supposed to practice reading the words. Hope you've seen where you went wrong. If there is a word you aren't able to read, you can now read it perfectly.